Hey, welcome back everybody. This time to my outdoor kitchen, which is my pride and joy. I love cooking out here, and it's the middle of the summer in Chicago right now, so we're all thinking about corn. You're probably thinking about corn too if it's the middle of the summer for you. We all love corn, but in the States it's typically boiled. In Mexico, it's typically done on the grill. But the one thing I have to tell you is the corn in Mexico is really different than the corn in the United States. Here we have sweet corn. In Mexico, they have field corn, but they pick it at this young and tender stage. They call it the milk stage, when you can press a thumbnail into it and out shoots this milky substance, meaning that it's going to be tender enough. But they have to boil that corn until it's even more tender than that before they do the grilling. In the States, we don't do that. What I do is to soak the corn in water for an hour or so and then put it on the grill. Lay the corn on the grill and then close the lid. Now, while it's roasting, open it up and turn them every once in a while. You want some blackened spots on the outer leaves. Then after about 10 minutes, remove them from the grill. They've cooled down just a little bit, so I'm going to start peeling back the husks. So you want to carefully do this and just leave it right connected at the base. You'll notice that all of the silk comes off with it. Back to the grill they go. Now, brush the corn with melted butter. That's something I really like to do, and turn it frequently until it's nicely browned. This should take about 10 more minutes. And now for the good part. I put it onto a serving dish and slather it with the mayo. This is that really good lime flavored mayo from the Mexican grocery store, but anyone will work. You could even use sour cream or creme fraiche for this. Now, a good amount of añejo cheese, or if you like it better, fresco cheese. Then some hot powdered chili. Just sprinkle that liberally over the top if you like spicy, and then squeeze on some lime.